How to transfer money from USA to Croatia. So we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. So if you use the link below, you will be able to benefit from your first $1,000 without any fee. Now, first of all, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be United States. And select your recipient destination. In this case, it will be Croatia. So if you don't find it here, just type it in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after that, enter the amount that you want to transfer, for example, $1,000, and click on Get This Rate. So first of all, log into your account. Now, if you don't find your recipient destination here, just click here and type it in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after that, click on Send Money. Now, double check the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000 or any amount that you want to transfer. And after that, click on Continue. But before that, check the fee. As you can see, this is the fee that you will pay, and this is the recipient you will receive. Now, after that, click on Continue. And as you can see, select the delivery method if you want to select the bank deposit or mobile money, as you can see. So select the bank deposit. And now select your recipient bank, for example, this bank. And now provide the recipient name and click on Continue. After that, provide the recipient's mobile number if you have it. If you don't have it, click on Skip. Finally, add a new card and click on Continue. Now provide your debit card info and click on Next. But before going to transfer that money, make sure to double check your debit card info before going to transfer that money. Now after that, transfer that money and recipient will receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Croatia on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.